walk it like I talk it. All set. Niggas pocket watching. I want that dish, that menage. I bought a franchise to double up the profit. You make a landslide.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Boy here, back again with another episode of Mail Time. This mail time, we got a bunch of shoes here today. I think 6 total boxes, man, and some of these boxes like overly huge. So we're gonna just get right into it. Okay, where do I start? I guess we'll just work top down, man. Oof, this box is kind of smashed. What do we got here? Culver City. I'm pretty sure that's a goat box. Nice. Okay, so it is a goat box. You can see that goat branding right here. Yeah. Just gonna be throwing all of the boxes in the back the whole video. This one is from GOAT, like I said. It is a Jordan 1 in a size 11. Right on. And this is a pair of the Jordan 1 bread toes. Every time I see a bread toe, the quality of the leather just really gets to me, man. Like, some pairs aren't as tumbled as others, but I've been getting really good pairs. Like, I don't know if you can see that in the light, but this thing is like textured as and it's super soft, man. So I got a couple pairs of these already. I wanted a beater pair. I think this is gonna be it. But yeah, so this is a size 11. Hopefully it'll be pretty good. Love this sneaker, guys. Hope you guys got a chance to cop because, man, this is good. This is really good. And resale is only gonna go up over time. So if you guys didn't cop, I highly suggest you pick one up ASAP. All right, this one, Secaucus, New Jersey. Secaucus, New Jersey. What the heck is in New Jersey? I want to say there's a branch of GOAT there, but I'm not too sure. Boxes look the same. Yep, it is. All right, so this shoe was just basically a good steal. I try my best to show you guys where I get my shoes and like how you can find really good shoes for cheap, because I know a lot of you guys are hunting like me for steals and deals. So this shoe, let me take it out real quick. This thing is butter. Wild. So this is a Jordan 4 Levi, and as you can see, it is a dead stock sneaker. Like, it is brand new, never worn. So this one I literally bought for like 520 bucks, I think, which is insane. Reason why is because there's no box, obviously. If you can get a Levi 4 for that price, like, there is no going wrong. Levi's, that is a really cool shoe. That's a dope shoe. All right, what else do we got here? So this box actually is from the second week of Supreme. Second week, there wasn't really anything that I liked, just kind of like the first week. Supreme, like I said in the last video, has been really slow for me. Copped this just because I thought it was not bad, and I thought that there'd be like potential resale for it. So let's open this up. Jeez, this is a big bag. All right. Fingers crossed we got some poppy seeds in here, man. Oh, yes! We got a little bag here, as you can see. We got the Supreme Special Edition Skull Pile sticker, so that's cool. I don't see any of the regular box logos in here, but that is okay, because like I said, this is what you want to see, man. Like the limited edition stickers and the limited edition free gifts. Believe it or not, one of the weirdest things for me last year in Supreme was that I never got that toothbrush. I never got it once, so it's pretty cool that I got this free gift right away. Yeah, so they do give you poppy seeds. I think it's supposed to go along with that illegal business controls America kind of thing. Poppy seeds are what you use to make certain like illegal drugs and whatnot. So I think that's where they're trying to like allude to. So we got the Supreme Chicken Dinner sticker as well. That's kind of weird. I never was a big fan of that. They had this on like the shirts too. Second one, what is this? Supreme Chair? It looks like a Supreme chair. I didn't know that this one existed. Interesting. And again, the limited edition Skull Pile Supreme box logo sticker. So yeah, that's some pretty cool stuff. The main prize that we have in here though is like really heavy. I didn't expect it to be this heavy, man. But oh this thing is huge. What the? Oh my goodness. This is no wonder it's so heavy. Okay, so this is the extra large Supreme studded arc logo jacket. It's a leather jacket. It is freaking huge, man. Your boy cannot fit an extra large. Like, it's just not happening. It's not happening. This thing is huge. I was trying to get the Gucci one originally because that one was pretty dope, man. I'm not gonna lie. It had like that Gucci vibes. But the black one was just easy to work with as well. Yeah, so these things are like floating around for like $900. Retail was like $700. So, I mean, there's a good amount of resale value there. Okay, let's take a look at what else we have now. This one, it looks like it's another clothing piece. Oh, right on. Okay. So, this one, I guess, comes with the sticker as well. Undefeated. Put that with the rest of the stickers. Okay, check that out. It's a Bape Undefeated collab, man. So I got this from Undefeated a little while ago, and honestly, I told you guys I don't wear too much Bape, but this one was not too bad, dude. Like, check this out. So as you can see here, it says Undefeated over the top, Ape right here, Undefeated Ape. typically would be bathing, obviously, so that's the replacement. Also, you have the Bape head right here with the Undefeated logo. And I'm pretty sure that your boy ordered the wrong size though. I don't think I can fit this because this looks super small in my hands now. I think what happened, because I did get a size large, and what's messed up is I keep forgetting that Bape is a Japanese brand. So when you buy stuff from Bape, and because it's Japanese, like Japanese clothing runs smaller than what US sizing is. So typically a size large would be like a size medium in US. So I think I just messed up and I think I bought the wrong size, which sucks. I actually did that with the track jacket too, not gonna lie. I got really hyped over that last one, as you guys saw. I can't wear it. I can't wear it. So it's gonna be going up on the web store as well. Really sucks, but now I know it's like a trial and error thing. This is what happens when you never buy Bape, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh, okay, I want something. Comes in, you realize, boom, you messed up. You done messed up, kid. But yeah, this is a really nice piece, not gonna lie. I like this one, so that's cool. Oof, this one is kind of messed up. All right. All right, this is the Air Jordan OVO collab. You guys can tell from the box, OVO Owl right there. Unfortunately, it is a huge size. It is a size 14. Reason being is they actually restocked these on the OVO app recently. Unfortunately, I couldn't get to a 10.5 or 11 really fast because they just sold out instantly. But I did manage to cop the 14, and I do have a friend that wears 14, so these are going to him. And yeah, I'm kind of glad I didn't cop them, actually, to be honest. Like, I've heard that the resale on these aren't very good, and I've heard that the quality doesn't feel that great. You know, like, there's nothing out here that makes it super stand out as like OVO branding. It's got that OVO gold pattern. I mean, OVO always comes in the gold and the black. Also has like this little owl like in the back for that OVO logo. The October's very own. Other than that, I don't see any other like signifying marks on here to mark it as a Drake shoe. And it's funny because this might actually be the last Drake shoe that comes out with Jordan brand, since there's like those rumors floating around that Drake might be leaving to go to Adidas. So this might be it. Who knows? Maybe the resale will go up. Just like when Kanye left Nike, if Drake leaves Nike, this might be it. This might be your new Red October. It's not. It's not. All right, and last but certainly not least, I'm pretty sure there is 2 shoes in here, man. This one is special. I'll open it up and then I'll let you know why it's special though. Whew. For one, this is like super securely packed. All right, I think we got it. Yeah. So the reason what makes this special is because I actually got this from a fellow YouTuber, man. If you guys don't know who Seth Fowler is, you guys should know Seth Fowler by now. He has literally been taking the sneaker YouTube scene by storm, man. He's doing big things with Jordan brand. I think he just was on Inside Edition for like this crazy pizza shoe thing. But literally, he's like one of the most humble guys, and I can't stress enough that I'm happy that he's the one moving up in this realm that we're in of sneaker YouTube, because he just exemplifies what it should be about. Professional, humble, down to earth, relatable, involved with his audience, man. So if you guys don't know who Seth Fowler is, check him out. This is what we got from him though today. Guy actually threw in some of his merch, which is pretty dope. So that's Seth Fowler shirt, man. You can check that out. Back of the hat. As you can see, got that SF, Seth Fowler. Got his logo. This is pretty clean though. I like it. Dude, and he actually gave 2. That's super dope. See, this is what I mean by being humble. I didn't even buy these, and I think these go for like a good amount of money on his site. God, these are dope. It's like that Yankee colorway too. Kind of like Dodger. I think it's supposed to be Yankees, but you know what? We're gonna pretend it's Dodgers. Thank you, Seth. That's really cool, man. I appreciate it. If you can't tell, like, this is a super like jam-packed box. First one that we got in here is a Yeezy Boost 350 V2 size 9. Right on, and this is the Beluga V2. So this is the shoe that he actually reviewed. I think he's trying to downsize his collection because, man, that guy's collection is growing insane. He's got so much off-white, he don't have time for this kind of stuff anymore. I'm assuming Seth, I don't know, man. But I'm happy to take the shoes off your hands, so it was a really good price. I couldn't pass up on it. This is a size 9.5 Jordan 1. I'm just messing with you guys. It's not a Jordan 1. You're gonna flip when you see this. Yo, dang. So this, my friends, is not a Jordan 1. It is actually the Jordan 5 Doran Beckers replacement box, obviously, because you don't put this shoe like by itself, man. That's not how it works. But look at how clean this thing is, dude. Like, look at that. Look at that. Bottoms super icy. So this was like one of the homie sets, like super huge grails. You know that the man is moving on to bigger, better things when he is selling the DB5s, dude. His collection is like insane, like I just said. You don't have time to wear so many shoes. Like, you really gotta think about, like, if you have 20 something shoes, you're not gonna wear all 20 all the time. And that's for me. I have like 20, I think, exactly. And I probably wear maybe like 7 to 10 of them like at a time, not at a time, obviously I only have 2 feet. I wear like, yeah, roughly about 7 to 10 on average all the time, just because I have my go-tos, you know. DB5s, it's not something you can wear all the time. It's not something you wear like every day. So I can understand where he's coming from with this, but man, he put this up for a steal, and obviously I'm gonna cop it if it was a steal, so got that. And I can't be more stoked because DB5s are like literally one of the best Doernbecher shoes I think on the market. All of them are good obviously because of what it represents. Doernbecher Hospital, helping out the kids over there. You know, it's just, they're all really good. But in terms of what my favorite colorways are, honestly, the Jordan 4 is like hands down my favorite. And then right behind that is the Jordan 5 Doernbecher. So never had one in the collection before, and now I do. Thank you, Seth Fowler, for hooking it up with the great deals, man. That was sick. And again, if you guys haven't checked them out, the guy's big time. If you guys need any kind of solid reviews on a shoe, you have any questions about what a shoe looks like, how it feels, how it's on feet, the man does very, very, very professional videos, how it should be done when you do a sneaker review. So check him out, man. Link is in the description below. Woo! That's it, I guess. I opened up everything. There's a lot of mess in here I gotta go clean up now. A lot of personal pickups, a lot of stuff that I'm probably gonna have to put on the web store, unfortunately, just because I can't fit it. But it is what it is. Like, trial and error, you're gonna start learning, okay? Wrong sizes, you shouldn't wear this. When you see it in person, it's different than what it looked like on screen. That's just how it goes, man. But check it out. It might be in the web store below. So thank you guys again for watching. This has been another episode of Mail Time with Untied Hawaii. Till next time, though, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. Aloha. Shoots.